Yo, good people. My name is DJ Malwela. I'm a DJ. I love house music. I love hip hop, but I play house music. I currently have a new album out. It's called "It's Not a Party Without Us." It's a compilation, and I'm excited about it.
Tell us a bit about the new album.
Look, it's a compilation. It's my first offering. I'm so excited. I have a song in the album called "Yilo." I worked with the trademark and Zitenkidi. And the nice thing about the album is it's got one of the biggest tracks at the moment. I have DJ Mshega, Get Down. I have WTF, Nomusa, and I have two songs from the biggest artists at the moment, according to me, because they were in the top two finalists of the Idols, which is Karabo, who won the Idols. The name of the song is Ding Dong. It's on the album. I have a song from Matema, my homegirl from Limpopo, Because of You. It's on the album. So it's exciting, and I'm excited about it.
And who did you work with on the album?
Like I said, I mentioned a couple of people on my single called Hilo. It's Trademark and Zitenkidi. I worked with Shakina. I worked with the WTF on the song No Musa. I worked with DJ Mshega featuring Busi N. The name of the song is Get Down. Like, I'm just excited about that.
Do you have a favorite track on the album?
Yes, it's called Hilo by me. That's my favorite track on the album. It's track number 14, by the way.
Any plans for a tour?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, as a DJ Malo got a couple of gigs lined up. Most of them will be early next year. Like I said, it's a pre-release for 2016. We're gonna start the year with a bang. We're gonna do launches. We're gonna do parties. We're gonna do tours, and it's no question that the name of the tour, I can say it now. It's called "It's Not a Party Without Us."
And then 3 things people don't know about DJ Malwela.
I'm a house head who is professional, and people mistake that for superstar tendencies. The second thing they don't know about me is I have a very short memory. I forget easily, and people think I ignore or I don't pay attention to detail, but that's me. Those that I can remember, I do. Those that I can't, unfortunately. If I meet you today and I meet you after a week, I need to interact with you a couple of times before I can really remember.
Third one? You gave me 2. Third one?
Third one. Yeah. I get paid for partying. Look, as a DJ, I love traveling. I love music. And people maybe don't know this, but I had to make a decision that I would know I get to get paid and get travel at the same time. I don't know if that counts.
It counts. It does count. And also, any message to your fans?
Look, I've been around in the game, but obviously, if you're not releasing an album, you're only reaching a certain few people out there. So to all of those that are going to be enjoying the album is have a festive season filled with an album, 19 tracks, enjoy it. And one thing that I always stress about anyone who wants to venture into the entertainment world is 3 things. Get yourself educated. Once you have that degree, no one will ever take that away from you. Follow your passion, be it music, be it DJing. Follow your passion, because you're only going to need your education to run your business to be successful. So have a good 2016.